Welcome to the AW Services YouTube channel. I've done many videos on these. These are the Premier Hazard Sonic 9004 siren amplifiers, commonly used in British police cars, ambulances and fire, with a lot of other brands out there as well. But people struggle with the wiring. The wiring diagram for these is actually on the side. The dip switch settings that you need to make it work really. If you're looking at it in this orientation, you need the first dip switch down, second dip switch down, fourth dip switch up. Wiring for the plug. A lot of people struggle to find it. This is a Molex Mini Fit Jnr 16 pin 2x8. You can buy these directly from Premier Hazard or Eco, whatever company they're called now. But if you want a lead and you're not having to pay 60 quid for one, this is what you need. This is a male and female pigtail, so you can extend it, or you can just have it going straight into the siren. You haven't got to mess around with anything really. The only thing I will say is the wiring colour harmonisation on this plug isn't as that of the OEM Premier Hazard pigtail loom. So you'll either need to relabel your cable so you know what's what. There's no good looking at plus is black and red is minus, and they're all back to front, and the orientation of where the positive and negative wires in this plug sit when connected to the amplifier are different, so you may blow your amplifier up. But if you want a plug connector with all the wiring, it's up to you how you wire it, but this is an exact fit. And this is for the Molex Mini Fit Jnr 5557 or 5559, 4.2mm pitch, 16 pin strip line connector, 30 centimeters in length, and there's one set. I purchased these from AliExpress, where I purchase an awful lot of my electronics and components. Very reputable sellers on there. This isn't Temu, this is AliExpress. I will put a link in the video description of where you can buy this directly, and you'll then see the price. If you spend over £8, you get free shipping. So go and buy a few other bits and bobs. Maybe get yourself a pin ejector so you can change around the positive and negative on this, and it would be absolutely peachy perfect. The description is beside where the video says how many views or how many people have subscribed to me. You'll see it saying more. If you click on where it says more, that will then come up with a page or a pop down description box with all the writing and information in there below. But if this video helps you, subscribe, support the channel, help it grow, press the bell icon for notifications for more videos. This is the Sonic 9004 series, Sonic amplifier from Premier Hazard, and you've been watching AW Services.